Morning everyone, this is your reporter from E5 News. Today is Independence Day. Now we are here to know what people really think about this day. Is it a day of patriotism? Is it a day of celebration? Or is it simply another holiday? Let's go and find out.
Now let's go and ask some questions to our random. Excuse me, ma'am, may I ask you something?
Yes, please.
What is special about today?
Special. Today is a holiday, right? That's what's special.
So, do you know why we have this holiday?
Yes, Independence Day.
And Independence Day, what does it mean to you?
It means I can sleep a little longer, spend time with my family, and go shopping.
So, nothing about our freedom fighters?
Of course, I respect. But today is a holiday, no?
Well, thank you, ma'am. That was timely and honest answers.
Now let's ask some random questions to a man. Excuse me sir, what are you doing today?
I am going out with my family. We have a holiday, right?
Do you have any special plans to celebrate Independence Day?
Celebrations? No special plans. We'll have lunch outside, watch a movie, and come back to home.
Do you usually participate in the flag hosting ceremony?
If it is compulsory, I'll go.
Oh, so Independence Day is just another holiday for you.
Exactly.
Thank you for your honesty sir.
Now let's get feedback from a shopkeeper. Excuse me, ma'am. Today is Independence Day. What are your plans for the celebration? Celebration? I don't have time for that. I have shop to run. Just one or two questions, ma'am. What is your opinion about freedom? Freedom? You mean freedom sunflower oil? How many packets do you want? Hey, ma'am. What are you talking? I'm talking about the freedom we had got from the British. Maybe later. Right now, customers are coming. If I stop working, who will run my shop? So, Independence Day does not make any differences to your routine? Not really. For me, today is another working day. I see work comes first for you. Now, please excuse me. I have customers waiting. So, all right, back to work, ma'am.
Now let's ask a few questions to an employee. Excuse me sir, can I ask you a quick question? What does Independence Day mean to you?
Independence Day. Oh, I completely forgot about it. I have lots of work today.
But today is a national holiday.
Oh, yes, but I have some pending work to finish. I just want to complete it and go home.
So no flag hosting, no celebration, no patriotic programs?
No, nothing. I just want to complete my work and relax.
Don't you think we should take at least a moment to remember why we got our freedom?
Maybe, but right now my deadline is more important.
A deadline today on Independence Day.
Yes, freedom can wait, but my deadline can't.
Well, that's certainly an interesting way to look at Independence Day.
Now let's speak to our respected politician. Sir, what does Independence Day mean to you?
Independence Day is a very important day. I have great respect for our freedom fighters.
That's wonderful, sir. What are you doing for Independence Day?
I am going to host the flag, give a powerful speech and address the public.
That sounds great. What message would you like to give to the people?
My dear people, we must remember our great freedom fighters. We must work together for our nation.
Very inspiring, sir. And after your speech?
After the speech, we have a media interaction.
Media interaction.
Yes, we need good publicity.
So, is the speech for the nation or for the cameras?
Both are important.
Interesting, sir. Thank you.
Let's go and speak to a young woman. Excuse me, ma'am, what are your thoughts about Independence Day?
Independence Day is amazing.
What do you like the most about it?
The decoration, the celebration, and especially the TV coverage.
Why the TV coverage?
Because I want to be on TV.
Do you want to speak about our freedom fighters?
Of course, just give me the microphone.
Okay, please tell us something about Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind. And please make sure you show me on TV.
Oh, so you're more interested in being visible than understanding the meaning of the day.
Exactly. I mean, not exactly, but yes.
Well, at least you're honest.
We have spoken to many people today. For some, Independence Day is just a holiday. For some, it is an opportunity for publicity. For others, it is simply a chance to appear on television. And some are so busy with their daily work that they do not even stop to think about the freedom they enjoy. But somewhere between the holidays, speeches, cameras and deadlines, have you forgotten the Independence Day really means? Excuse me, ma'am. May I ask you one final question?
Yes, of course.
What does Independence Day truly mean?
Independence Day is not a holiday. It is not about flag hosting and giving speeches. It is not a stage for publicity. It is not a chance to appear on television. It is about remembering the people who sacrificed their lives for our freedom.
What should we do as citizens?
We should understand the value of freedom we enjoy today. We should respect our country, follow the law, perform our duties honestly, help us contribute to the development of our nation. Our freedom fighters did their duty for the freedom. Now it's our turn to do ours.
So Independence Day asks us just one question. Are we truly valuing the freedom that was given to us? A holiday will end, a speech will end, a deadline will pass, the cameras will go away. But our responsibility towards our country should never end. We should not just remember our freedom fighters for one day.
Let us not celebrate the Independence Day. Let us understand it.
Freedom is not just a right, it is a responsibility. Jai Hind.